All right, I'm doing a ride along with Dad. As you can see, we're near Malula and things like that. It's a beautiful drive through here. You see trees and whatnot. But Dad was just talking about an old story from Wagga. Maybe you just take it from here, Dad.
Well, we used to have a swing into the river behind the Wagga gasworks. And it was a good swing, beautiful and deep, and you could swim across, and there was a small beach on the other side. But more particularly, once you climbed the bank on the other side, there was this guy who had a watermelon patch. So occasionally, not very often, maybe twice a year, you'd swim over, and if there were 4 or 5 of you, you'd grab 2 or 3 melon. And then you'd throw them in the water, and if they were ripe, they'd float, and if they weren't ripe enough, they'd sink. So you wouldn't want to go eating one that sank because it wasn't ripe. So we'd swim back to across near the gasworks, where there was a whole lot of rocks, break up the watermelon and hook in.
How old were you?
13.
13. And the bloke knew that you were taking the watermelons, but he didn't mind because you were kids.
I'm sure he did, but we didn't do any harm.
Yeah, right.
Anyway, somebody else got the same idea, and they went across, busted up all the a whole lot of watermelons, like dozens of them.
Why would you bust up watermelons? What a jerk off.
Well, just to be
a prick, yeah.
Pulled out vines and just to be a
idiot, yeah.
Just to be idiots.
Yeah.
But okay, one idea, they'd bust a watermelon to see if it was ripe. Okay, but not dozens and dozens. And anyway, these guys did this stupid act. And then, can you believe it? They went across the very next day at the same time and started to do the same thing. And the owner came out and shot one of the guys with a .22. The bullet went through one side of his stomach and out the other. So it didn't do any real bad damage, but I mean, he was sick for a long time. His name was Ray Vizard, and I went to school with this bloke. For all intents and purposes, he wasn't a complete idiot, but this was a complete idiot act that he pulled.
Well, it sounds like he got
so that's what you call
an equal reaction.
That's what you call a comeuppance.
He got a comeuppance, yep.
Over and out.
Over and out.